Hello unique divas, you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm your girl Unique Nilo. For this tutorial I'll be teaching you guys how to make this wrapping Zara cap, which can be wrapped in many ways. When I mean many ways, I mean you can wrap it in different ways. So guys, this particular wrapping Zara cap is very easy. You can check it out. You can see the way I tied it here. So guys, without taking your time, let's move straight to the tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you find it interesting. So guys, the fabric I'll be using for this tutorial is raw silk. Raw silk, you know, one side is stretchy while the other side is not stretchy. And from the stretchy part, I measured out my length, which measures 27 inches and the width is 15 inches. 27 inches length by 15 inches width. For those that are reading how to cut your Zara cap, I'm holding Mako, and this is Mako. This Mako measures 20 inches length by 2.5 inches width. Yes, I know some of you can make your Zara cap, but I have to teach from the scratch for the benefit of those that are still beginners. So what I'm doing here is to trace and locate the center of this Mako, and I will do same thing to the fabric. You fold it into two and locate the center, then use your scissors and notch the center, just very small. Yes, just notch the center of your fabric. Once you're done with that, I'll be taking, you can see the center, that part I notched, and I'll be taking this this Mako and I also place it at that center. Make sure that this middle part of the Mako aligns with that part. So once I'm done doing that, I used my pin to note the center of this Mako. You can see the way it looks. So I'll be wrapping the Mako with this fabric this way. It's going to drag it down. Make sure your fabric covers the Mako very well. I'm going to take in some, just like 1/4 inch inside, then wrap it up. Okay, you can see the way it looks. Then bring out that pin. Please don't forget to bring out the pin and use it to hold the tip of the fabric. So once you're done sewing, once you're done pinning everything down, you're going to sew down this edge. Alright, use your sewing machine. Make sure that every part, the tip of the fabric, you sew it down. Alright, I'm done sewing and you can see the outcome. Yeah, this is the wrong side, the back of the Zara cap. Yes, this part I'm holding is the back and this part is the front. You can see it, back and the front. Alright, I'll be folding it in this way, trying to push some of the fabric inside just the way I'm showing you. And next thing we're doing is fold it into two. Please fold the front part into two this way and make sure that it's equal. The reason for this is to ensure your Mako is equal. Once the Mako is not equal, push the Mako down, it will go down. Please push it down. Once you push it down, you adjust very well to make sure that both edges are equal. So next thing we're doing now is to attach my elastic. I have a tutorial on how to do this, but I will still show you guys how to do it. I will do a rough sketch on how to attach your elastic. This is 1 inch elastic. This elastic will help grip the head circumference of the owner of this head. Alright, please make sure you place this elastic so it will be at the back, which is the side that will be inside the Zara cap. That's why I'm pushing it, and make sure it comes to the edge of this hole. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing clearly. Then I'll be sewing this part with my sewing machine. Please make sure you can see it. It comes through the back, not the front part. Then you sew with your sewing machine. This outcome, and you can see the elastic from the back side, not from the front side. Okay, so once I'm done attaching your elastic, next thing you do is to drag it this way. Make sure you drag it very well, then sew this edge. I don't know if you can see what I just did. Drag the elastic this way. Okay, just drag it well. I've shown you guys how to do this before. You drag very well. Once you finish dragging, you sew this edge down. So guys, you can see the outcome of it. This is how it looks. So exactly same thing I did there, you'll be doing it on the other side of the fabric. Once you're done doing it, cut out the excess part. Alright guys, you can see I'm done attaching the elastic on the left and the right side. So you can see how it looks. Next thing I'll be doing now is to push the right side inside. The side that will be in front of the Zara cap, yes. The side that will be seen, that's the right side. Just push it inside this way. So the fabric I'm holding is for the design, the wrap, and it measures 36 inches length by 6 inches width. And I'll be cutting out 4 pieces. Please guys, the reason why I cut out 4 pieces of this material is because raw silk has a foamy texture. From this stretchy part, if you fold it into two, you'll observe that it will be so fluffy. It will be as if you attached foam inside it. This side is not fluffy. That's why I cut it into pieces. I said let me cut from this part that is not stretchy. The design, the wrapping design will be so flat. Yes, so that's why I decided to cut into pieces. I will get the fluffy part. I don't know if you get me. So once your material is not, if you are working with a non-fluffy material, you can decide to cut the full length of your fabric. That is 6 inches width by the full length of that fabric. You can cut it into 2 pieces. Don't know if you get me. So the reason why I cut it into 4 pieces is because I want to get that fluffy part. So I'll be joining it this way. Then once I'm done joining, I'll also do something to the other fabric and I will join the other part. You can see how it is. So next thing we're doing is to fold this part this way and I will sew it down. Please don't forget to do same to the other fabric. So guys, if you watch closely, you'll see that I've sewn it and this is the outcome. So next thing we're doing is on one side of the fabric, just fold it this way and sew with your sewing machine. Not on both sides, please, just one side. Hold it this way and tack down. So after sewing it with your sewing machine, be using my scissors to just cut off the edge. Then I'll be turning it out, okay? Whatever you are doing to this material, do it to the other one. Don't forget to do so. Do same thing to the other one, yes. So I'm done turning everything out. I can see the way it looks, yes. You can see that fluffy look I told you about raw silk. Guys, if your material doesn't have a fluffy look like Ankara, don't stress yourself by cutting into 4. Just cut into 2. The length of your fabric will be the length of your Ankara fabric or any other fabric, but make it to reach 60 and above, okay? Alright, so the tip, the other side that I didn't sew, I'll be using lighter to hem them out, just the way I'm doing now, okay? Do same for both fabric and you can see the outcome. This is how it looks. So I'll be placing it on my Zara cap. This is the right side facing me. Please make sure the right side of the Zara cap is facing you, while the down part, the side facing down, is the wrong side. This is the right side. So I'll be placing this wrap. I'll be placing it on top of the Zara cap this way. Please watch and see the way I do the placement. Alright guys, so I'm done sewing the Zara cap, and at this junction you can use your lighter to hem the mouth or use your measure to sew it, or your weaving machine. Then you sew this tip to make it look more beautiful. So I'll be doing my running stitch as usual. I've been showing you how to form your gathers the running stitch. So we'll be doing same here. And once I'm done doing that, your Zara cap is ready. Please don't be in a hurry to cut this video. I'll show you another method of wrapping this Zara cap, so stay tuned. Please note, once you reach to this tip where the elastic is, don't tamper with it. Don't make your needle pass through that point, okay? Just stop this place where I stopped. Then you form your knot and your Zara cap is ready. Please guys, like this video if you find it interesting, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. You can join the Unique Diverse family. I love you all. You can see the outcome of the Zara cap. This is the back view, yes, and this is the inside. So guys, let me show you how I tied it again. See you guys next time. Love you all.